Hello and welcome to another FittingSites.com screencast tutorial. In this video we're going to cover a very theme-specific topic. This is for users of the Genesis theme for WordPress, which is one of the theme providers we use when we create custom sites for our clients. And here is one of those client sites, in fact. And what we're trying to do here is we're trying to add an item to our menu. And you can see our menu up above here, which includes some pretty nice looking drop-down items if we hover over them. And with this particular theme, when you publish a page, it's not automatically added to your main navigation. So in this case, what we're going to do is we want to add a page to the bootcamps, and we want it to be in the drop-down. So that's actually pretty simple to do. All we need to do is go into the dashboard. And what we're going to do is we're going to jump right to the page that we need to add to our main navigation. Right now it's saved as a draft. We haven't actually published it yet, but there's just one thing we need to do before we publish it, and that's we need to make sure it's a drop-down. Here on the right-hand side under Page Attributes, you can see here that we have a parent and no parent is selected. What that means is that if we were to publish this page, it would appear as one of the main categories or main items inside of our navigation menu. In this case, we actually want this page to be a drop-down, and we want it to be a drop-down of our Bootcamp tab. So by simply clicking on our options here, you can see that in fact we have a list of all of the pages on our site, including nested pages which are indented. And to make this page drop down from Bootcamps, we're just going to click on Bootcamps, naming it as the parent, basically meaning that this is the child of that page, and it'll always show up as the drop down for that page. And once we've done that, we can just go straight to publishing it. And like I said, publishing it doesn't automatically add it to the main menu. So in fact, for this particular theme, the menu is being created by a widget. So we're going to go over to Appearance and click on our Widgets tab. And here we can see actually already inside of our widget area for header right is the Genesis Page Navigation Menu widget. This is actually what's creating the menu that you see on the front of the site. So all we need to do is click on the disclosure triangle to expose its options. And here by simply scrolling down, you can see a series of checkboxes which basically tell you what pages appear in main navigation and which ones are hidden or not visible inside of the main navigation menu. And we can see our 2011 Bootcamp schedule page that does not have a checkbox next to it, although we just published it. So if we put a checkbox next to that and simply scroll down to the bottom and click on Save, once we've saved the options for this widget, we can go ahead and take a look on the actual site itself. And here we are now on the actual site, and if we hover over Bootcamp, we can see that it does now appear in the drop-down menu exactly as it should. So you can see that all it takes is a little checkbox to make your pages appear in the main navigation of your site. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.